Welcome back to SL Tech Home, where we talk all things tech. Today we're diving into something exciting, the top 3 affordable drones for beginners. If you're just starting out in the world of drones or looking for an affordable option to kick things off, this video is for you. But before we dive in, a quick shout out to WebLaunch Pro, my business where we create affordable and professional websites for businesses just like yours. If you need a sleek, functional website starting at just $3, check us out in the link below. First up, we have the DJI Mini TSC. This is one of the most popular choices for beginners, and for good reason. At under 250 grams, it's ultra lightweight, meaning it's super portable and doesn't require FAA registration in most countries. What's even better is the 2.7K camera, giving you sharp video footage, which is impressive for a drone in this price range. The flight time? You get 31 minutes on a single charge, so you can fly longer without constantly worrying about the battery. The DJI Mini TSC also comes with easy-to-use features like GPS and return to home. So, if you lose sight of your drone, just hit the button and it flies back to you. Why it's great for beginners. This drone is incredibly beginner-friendly. The controls are simple to master, and because it's so compact, you can take it anywhere. If you're serious about flying and want a great entry-level drone, the DJI Mini TSC is an excellent choice. Price? It comes in at around $300, which may seem like a bit of an investment, but for what you get, it's well worth it. Next on the list is the Rise Teo, a truly budget-friendly drone, and it's a fantastic choice for beginners. It's a small and compact drone that packs a punch with a 720p camera, perfect for casual photography and video. With a 13-minute flight time, it's a great option for quick flights. Plus, the stabilization system helps it fly smoothly. The Teo is super easy to control using just your smartphone and its dedicated app. Why it's great for beginners. The best thing about the Rise Teo is its affordability and simplicity. It's great for indoor flying, making it perfect if you're just practicing and don't want to worry about crashing into things. Plus, if you're into learning, the Teo has an educational side to it. You can even program it using Scratch, a beginner-friendly coding platform. This makes it perfect for kids and beginners alike. Price? And here's the best part. You can get the Rise Teo for around $99, making it one of the most affordable options on the market. Finally, we have the Holystone HS110D, another fantastic option for beginners. This drone comes with a 1080p camera, so you're getting some great video quality for the price. It has a 20-minute flight time, giving you enough time to explore the skies. What makes the HS110D perfect for beginners is its one-key takeoff and landing feature. With just one button, your drone is in the air or safely back on the ground. It also has an altitude hold feature, which helps the drone maintain its height while flying, making it easy to control, especially if you're new to flying drones. Why it's great for beginners. It's got simple controls, it's affordable, and it's equipped with an FPV first-person view mode that lets you see what the drone sees right on your smartphone screen. It's great for capturing smooth footage without breaking the bank. Price? You can grab the Holystone HS110D for around $120, making it another excellent option for first-time drone pilots. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that if you're looking to launch your own business or create an online presence, check out WebLaunch Pro. We offer affordable website design services starting at just $2.5, tailored to your needs. Whether it's for a small business, a portfolio, or an e-commerce store, WebLaunch Pro has you covered. Find the link in the description below. And that's a wrap on my top 3 affordable drones for beginners. Whether you want something compact and powerful like the DJI Mini TSC, budget-friendly like the Rise Teo, or easy to fly like the Holy Stone HS-110D, there's a drone here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which drone you're planning to pick up or if you already own one. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.